Alright guys, we are in Weatherford, set up for today's flea market. Let's see how everything goes. We got some camp ovens, got an old new urinal in case anybody needs one, spittoon, got some BSR, got the STCG, got a Bayou Classic. Move on to this really pretty one. I always think that one looks sweet. And then we've got some enameled stuff. We got some stove. We got some La Crusade. Got some Lodge and some Martha Stewart and some more Lodge. And then we come down here. We got an Iron Mountain and we got an old Wagner back there. Got some old little Wagners. Got a Finex. And then we run into some Crescent, old Lodge, some Griswold stuff. And then we'll skip around over here. We've got some Viking griddles, we've got some Lodge griddles, we've got a Blacklock, we've got a couple of squares, one big Wagner, and then one BSR. Got assorted baking stuff, mostly Lodge. There's BSR Eddie Bauer. Got some Pampered Chef, which was made by Lodge. And then we got some old Lodge. And then we've got some Blacklock over there, and then we're going to run into some more Lodge. Got some Cracker Barrel. And we got a couple more Lodges, a couple big Lodges. And we got the cooler I refurbished. And we got a big Camp Chef square. And then we got a little grill down here. But that's it, guys. Hopefully we did great today.